Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install OmeTV app on your PC. So the best thing to do this, let's just go to Google here, right? I'll just open a Google, right? And here in the Google, you can just write here OmeTV and you will get this website of OmeTV and now you can just go and access. But if you want to download here, so what we'll do, we will just write here download OmeTV. Now we will get this option of Play Store and everything, but the thing is that to download this up, we can't download. We can only download in our in a laptop or in our phone. So this is I've done it my emulator. So this is a BlueStack. In BlueStack, I can download Home TV and there I can use it. So in one device, I can use two Home TV, right? And this is very useful. And to do this, let me just show you. Let's again just go to Google here, right? And in the Google, you have to write BlueStack. Now BlueStack is an emulator which helps us to run all this application which can be run on mobile devices. We can do it on the laptop or PC. Now you have to download and then after installing you will be able to do this. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.